Good morning, class 10th. In the last video, we had discussed about endothermic, exothermic reaction. Along with that, we had also discussed about oxidation and reduction. Okay? Usme I had discussed with you about oxidizing agents and reducing agent. Some students were asking me that, ma'am, can you please explain again one more time about oxidizing and reducing agent? So I am explaining here oxidizing agent and reducing agent here. What is oxidizing agent? Oxidizing agents are those substances which help in the oxidation of other substance. Okay? And the substance which is helping in the oxidation of other substance, it will itself get reduced. Okay? For example, this is a reaction. Fe2O3 plus 2Al gives out Al2O3 plus 2Fe. Okay? In this reaction, Fe2O3 is providing oxygen to aluminium and it is forming Al2O3 and Fe. That means oxidation किसका हो रहा है? इसका. And reduction किसका हो रहा है? इसका. ठीक है? It will get reduced into this and it will get oxidized into this. Then the substance which is getting reduced, इसमें ये reduce हो रहा है, it is providing oxygen to aluminium. That means this will act as oxidizing agent and this will act as reducing agent. That means जिसका reduction हुआ वो oxidizing agent और जिसका oxidation हुआ that will be reducing agent. ठीक है? तो you just have to identify only one thing, that which substance is getting oxidized in the reaction. आपने एक को अगर सही पहचान लिया, अच्छा, always remember that you have to find out from the reactant side, not from the product side. ठीक है? तो आपने एक अगर सही पहचान लिया that which substance is getting oxidized, then you can simply write the other one will be reduced. जो reduce हुआ वो oxidizing agent और जो oxidized हुआ that is reducing agent. ठीक है? Next. In that questions, the assignment which I had given, one question I had given that a solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. Okay? Name the substance X and write its reaction with water. So the answer was, what we will use for the whitewashing? That is lime water, and lime water is formed by quicklime. So the substance X will be quicklime, that is calcium oxide. Okay? And its reaction with water, when calcium oxide reacts with water, it forms slaked lime, and this will be used for whitewashing. This is called slaked lime, this is called lime water, so this will be used for whitewashing. Rest all the answers we had already discussed almost. Okay? Now further to the next topic. I had not taught you about electronic concept of oxidation and reduction. Now, what is electronic concept? हमने 9th class में भी पढ़ा है that substance loses electron, substance gains electron. The substance which lose electron, it will form positive charge ion. The substance which will gain electron, it will form negative charge ion. Yes? So, how to find out that which substance is getting oxidized or reduced on the basis of losing or gaining electron? So, very simple concept. The loss of electron is called oxidation, and gain of electron is called reduction. Why? Because when the substance loses electron, it forms positive charged ion, and that किसी भी atom का positive charge ion में convert होना, that would be considered as oxidation. So you can simply write that loss of electron is called oxidation and gain of electron is called reduction. ठीक है? For example, when zinc, ठीक है, zinc will lose 2 electron, it will form zinc plus 2. That means उसपे 2 plus charge आ जाएंगे because it is losing 2 electron. ठीक है? So this would be considered as oxidation. ठीक है? And if this Zn plus 2 again gaining 2 electron, so it will convert into zinc atom. So this is called reduction. That means किसी एटम का कैटाइन में कन्वर्ट हो जाना ऑक्सीडेशन होता है और किसी कैटाइन का एटम में कन्वर्ट हो जाना बाय गेनिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, दैट इज कॉल्ड रिडक्शन. तो अगर आपको हमने कोई रिएक्शन दी, फॉर एग्जांपल Zn, yeah, we can write simply Cu. ठीक है. Cu when reacts with Fe, ठीक है. Cu when reacts with Fe, Cu plus 2 reacts with Fe, so it will form Fe plus 2 and Cu. For example, this is for example, ठीक है. तो इसमें क्या है, कॉपर ने 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन लूज कर दिए, तो इसमें कॉपर कैटाइन इज कन्वर्टिंग इनटू कॉपर एटम, तो इसका क्या हुआ, रिडक्शन, बिकॉज इट विल गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन, ठीक है. एंड Fe is converting into Fe plus 2, that means atom is converting into cation, तो इसका क्या हुआ, ऑक्सीडेशन. That means it is losing electron because the substance will lose electron, will form cation only, ठीक है. तो अगर इस तरह से कोई रिएक्शन दी हुई है तो आपको सिंपली सिर्फ इतना ऑब्जर्व करना है दैट कौन सा एलिमेंट एटम से आयन में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है और कौन सा एलिमेंट आयन से एटम में कन्वर्ट हो रहा है. इफ इट इज कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम कैटाइन टू एटम, दैट इज रिडक्शन, एंड इफ इट इज कन्वर्टिंग फ्रॉम एटम टू कैटाइन, दैट इज ऑक्सीडेशन, ठीक है. नाउ ये हो गया आपका सारी रिएक्शंस कंप्लीट. नाउ 2 important phenomena based on this oxidation, that we can see in our everyday life, that is corrosion and rancidity. This we'll discuss in next video. Whatever doubts you have in this, just note it down, we'll discuss later. Thank you.